Okay, now we are going to see divide, check your answer with multiplication. Divide, check your answer with multiplication. First sum 0.48 divided by 0.48 divided by 0.48 divided by 8. So first sum we are going to do. So let's solve the sum. So 0.48 divided by 8. So this is a decimal number, this is a whole number. We are going to divide. Okay, let's start. 0.48. So first you have to convert this decimal number into what? Whole number. So you have to, after the point, how many digits? 2 digits into 100. So after that divided by 8. So if the numerator is multiplied by 100, the denominator is also multiplied by 100. Yes. 8 into 100. Now look at the sum. So 0.48, if you multiply by 100, this decimal point moves to the 2 place to the right. So it becomes 48, and after that what it becomes? 8 into 100, 800. So 48 is going to divided by 800. So now let's start to divide 48 and 800. So now look at this number. So 800, it's 3 digits, this is 2 digits. So you can't divide. First you have to write 0. After that you have to put a point. So if you put a point, now you started to add zeros here. So 0, first only 1 0 I add. Now it becomes what? 480, but anyhow this is 800. So 480 is what? Less than 800. So again you have to what? Again you have to add one more 0 on the top. That after that you have to add one more 0 in the dividend. So what are you going to do? Now it's 4800, now it's 800. So dividend always greater than the divisor. So dividend is 4800, divisor is 800. So 800 into 6 you can get 800 into 6, 600, 600, 6 4s are 48. So 4800. So if you subtract, you can get zeros. The answer is 0.06. So this is the right answer for the question. I think so you understand the sum. I just repeat 0.48 into 100 and 8 into 100. 0.48 because it's a decimal. What? This is a decimal number. So decimal number, it's converted into a whole number. So after the point, how many zeros? So after the point, how many digits? 2 digits. So you have to multiply by 100. So it becomes 48, and 8 into 100 it becomes 800. So 48 is divided by 800. So I've just started. I've showed the division. So 48 is divided by 800. So what you're going to do? 48 is lesser than 800. First you have to start with the division. You have to first you write it on the top. Right at the top 0. After that you must put a point. If you put a point, you can add 1 0 in the dividend. You have to compare 480 and 800. 480 is less than 800. So what you are going to do? Again you have to write 0 on the top. 0 on the top, that is the quotient place. So again you have to add 0 in the dividend place. So now it becomes 4800. 4800 is divided by 800. So 800 into 6 you can get what? 4800. So 4800 minus 4800 you can get 0. This is a quotient value. This is a remainder. So they already told you, you have to get this answer, but whether the answer is correct or not, you have to check the answer. So 0.06 is a quotient, is multiplied by 800. You just multiply by 8. After that you have to add zeros in that. So 6 8s are 48, 8. Then after that you must put a 4 on the top. So 8 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. Then 0 into 8, 8. So I told you already you have to add 2 zeros here. So you have to take how many digits? That is what you're going to do. So 4800. So 800 means 4800. So how many? 4 digits. 800 means 2 zeros already here. Here also 2 digits. So 2 into 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point is here. So 0.48. This is the right answer. Anyhow, the quotient, that is the quotient is, sorry. Anyhow, the question, the dividend is come, the answer is correct. So again I'll tell you 0.06 into 8. So you can get what, 0.48, but 800 you have to multiply. After that you have to add 2 zeros. In that, what, how many is zeros? 2 and plus 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 0.48.